Hello, my name is Peter McGill. I come from the UK. I had an injury 5 years ago now, so a long time ago, and I did my own research on the internet. I met also one specialist in the UK, and I came out here and I'm very happy. I'm doing lots of research on the internet. I'm talking to several clinics in the US. I eventually realised that Professor Sangho Lee and the hospital here at Wooridul are the only clinicians who publish their procedures, who publish their methods and the results that they get. And that was greatly valuable to me because it allowed me to make a decision. I could read the article, I could understand it, I could see what was being proposed, and I wasn't getting that information from anyone else at all. So on that basis, I made the decision to travel to Korea. I met Dr. Ho-Yeon Lee. I was very impressed by his level of knowledge, a level of knowledge that I wasn't getting in the UK. And from the discussion that I had with him, we both decided very quickly that surgery was right for me. And it happened very quickly. I flew out on Saturday and I came here on Sunday the 2nd of November, and I had surgery on Wednesday the 5th. I experienced thoracic hyperflexion trauma, and that's what that did. That meant that a disc at T78 burst into the spinal canal. So I found the procedure Percutaneous Endoscopic Thoracic Discectomy, the transforaminal approach. I found that procedure detailed and available on the internet, and that was a surgery that I could not find anywhere else. Other surgeons were advocating a fusion or anterior approaches, or some clinics in the United States specifically, they said, yes, we can help you, but we won't tell you what we do. We don't publish any results. We don't publish anything. And I found that very difficult to understand why that would be. I don't think it was for any positive reason. So there seemed to be a withholding of information. And that's the opposite of my experience here. I found there's a transparency. I found it's very easy to find out what's going on, and I'm very happy with everything that I've encountered. I do confess I had not been to Korea before. I haven't travelled much in my life. I haven't been to any Asian countries. So I was a little bit sceptical before I came, and I had lots of questions. But I was quickly reassured by Dr. Ho-Yeon Lee, and really it was the examination that I had from him and the discussion afterwards that really was the most reassuring part of it. He knew what I was talking about, whereas other people in the UK and other countries didn't. I got answers here that I couldn't find anywhere else. I was sceptical when I came, but once I met the doctors here and once I saw things for myself, I was tremendously Yes, I'd recommend this hospital to anyone who takes responsibility for his or her own condition. I think a patient, when it comes to spine surgery specifically, a patient must be informed. A patient must know what is important and what is going on. And many doctors either don't know, they don't know enough to make an accurate diagnosis, or it's just difficult to find that information. But here, everything has been great, and I would recommend it to anyone. I really would. I'd like to say thank you to lots of people, really. I'd like to say thank you to Martin Knight in the UK. I'd like to say thank you to Dr. Sangho Lee and Dr. Ho-Yeon Lee for actually taking the initiative and having the vision of developing these procedures and publishing their work, so that patients can understand what is being offered and patients can benefit from that information. And I'd like to thank Betty as well. Betty's helped me a lot.